Hey traders, Lance here. I'm going to populate a watch list and how you could customize your watch list when trading here in TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim. So the first thing you want to do is populate the watch list. So here I'm just looking at a bunch of option time and sales orders. Click on this little expand tab here, or this little arrow, and now here's a watch list. But let's actually start from square one. So you'll probably have some account info, maybe trader TV and some charts down here. Click on Add Gadget and then go to Watch List. And then let's actually populate this and detach it. So now we detach it, we get our big old watch list. And it might go under default, it might go under personal, it might go under public. I'm just going to go to, let's use, let's actually go and make a new one. So let's create a watch list. Let's go from square one. I'm going to name it New Watch List for Trading. And now what I can do is add symbols. So I'm going to add Apple, hit enter. There's Apple. Click on the down arrow. Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft. You get the gang of it. You can add all the watch lists you want, watch lists you want, and stocks you want. Or you can import actually a Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets tab, as long as it's in, again, kind of Excel format there. And you could go to select file and import your watch list, and it will do it very nicely. It will actually replace the current symbols or add it. But for this example, let's do it manually. And then let's go to save. So here's my new watch list here. It gives me last, net change, bid, and ask. Well, I don't really care about bid and ask. I actually want to see the percentage change too. So I could click on this gear icon on the top right, and it says customize. Perfect. Now what I can do is I can add, you could double click or go to add item, the percentage change. And let's say I also want to do, you see they give us a boatload of options here. Let's say I want to add, I like this one, high-low graph. I'm going to add this one too, and I'm going to get rid of the bid and the ask. Cool. Now I'm going to click on OK. So now it gives me the last price, the net change, and the percentage change, and a high-low graph. I just like this high-low graph. It just gives you the stock going lower or higher during the current trading day, and you can see it moves. So these stocks with the market are going lower right now. Just something that I like to just look at during the day. Again, this is 100% customized to you, whatever you want to look at. I just thought it was a cool feature. Now what I want to do is I can export to file my watch list so I can actually save it on my machine. Or what I can do is actually add it so I can't click away from it so it stays put. Or what I can do is I could share it with a friend, or share it again with someone, and now it will be under my personal watch list now. So again, we have it named, and boom, new watch list for trading. Perfect, it's saved. So if I click out of it and I forget to save it, it will populate, and if I want to add new names, I can. Just one little thing, if you are completely satisfied and you like your layout on your TD Ameritrade, let's say you have multiple charts or multiple watch lists you're looking at, I'm just going to exit that, go to setup, and then save workspace as, and then name it whatever you want to save it under. And now every time you log on TD Ameritrade, that watch list will be saved. You'll just go under watch list, you could click on the previous one or a new one you have, and then here it is, new watch list for trading. Boom. Awesome.